Okay, guys, so in my last video, we spoke about asynchronous JavaScript and we explained that JavaScript does only one thing at a time, synchronous JavaScript. And that as a result of this, something can get blocked. And then I gave example of a teller whereby you have people queued up and then there's a problem with teller 3 and then you can proceed to teller 4. So today we want to look at how JavaScript solves these problems. And that takes us to what we call callback, promises, async await, and worker thread. So forget about the big grammar, right? All the four things I mentioned here is just the way JavaScript handles this blocking problem, right? So when we talk about callback, for instance, right? Let's go back to our example that I gave last time about the bank teller. So you get to number 3, something is blocking, so you can just tell the person to step aside. That okay, wait, maybe the person did not fill their teller correctly, so you can just tell them to step aside, get their name correctly while you attend to the next person. When they are done, you attend to them. Then promises is also the same thing. Promises always have 3 states. It can either be pending, fulfilled, or rejected. So promise also operates in a similar manner, right? So there's someone on the queue and you are telling the person, you know what, hold on, since your issue is taking time, just go chill, relax. When I'm done, I will give you feedback. So that feedback can be good one. In that case, promise is fulfilled. It could be that it could be that the feedback, maybe the NIN number is wrong. In that case, there's no way the teller person will proceed. In that case, we can say promise is rejected, or it can remain pending. Then we also talk about async await. So async await behind the scene is still similar to promises. So it's also another way of saying, okay, hold on. When I'm done, I will get back to you. So whether we talk about callback, whether we talk about promises, or whether we talk about async await, these are all different ways of saying, okay, since we are still dealing with one line, remember we have one teller, we have queue of many people, and then we are saying, okay, since you have problem, step aside, let's attend to someone else while we look at your issue. When you are done, we can call you to attend to you. So that's basically what it's about. Then the last one, which is worker thread, is a bit different. So worker thread is like, it's like, you know, when you go to a bank and maybe the issue is very, very serious or is something very, very special, and then they have to call you into the back room or the bank manager have to call you. In that case, they're taking you